It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe it's Friday. I got my tea. I needed my tea today. After last night, the Kringle candle launch was amazing. I got my order in. I'm going to talk a little bit about that hopefully later tonight. A couple things are selling out. Also, a lot of people have been asking about our Halloween bracelets. I'm just starting to photograph stuff now. I'm hoping to start getting some things in my Etsy shop soon, but check it out. Bats. Oh my goodness. I've just been so busy. But we have a lot of stuff that was made. I just got to get everything up and going. Check it out. And of course, we're going to have the Halloween purse charm. So I'm going to slowly start to get Halloween going, and hopefully as we approach like September 1st, I can get even more on. Today, of course, is, yay, the Bath & Body Works $4.95 mist sale. I noticed a couple of comments from people that Vampire Blood is already starting to sell out in the store. I was a little bit worried about that. And you know what? It's kind of strange because this is like the front and center floor set. And I feel like what's going to happen is they may get low in stock on Halloween and then, replace the floor set with something else. Fall, Halloween will be a side kiosk or a back kiosk. And then hopefully, they bring more in. I also want to talk about, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm going to do a separate video on this at some point, but I'm going to put up a screenshot. Check it out. New wedding collection from Bath & Body Works. It looks like a women's and men's collection dressed in white. And then first sight, but look at the lid on the dressed in white mist. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have that lid. So that looks exciting. One of my viewers actually sent me that. So I was excited to see something new. And then, oh my gosh, I have a box of soap. So today, $4.95 on the mist. This goes all the way through Saturday and Sunday. This is going to be flying. I don't know. I think Bath & Body Works is going to, definitely be low on mist after this because $4.95, rock bottom price, stock up. I did place my order myself, but just be aware of Vampire Blood. If you're trying to get it in store, it might be getting a little low. I don't know what's going to happen online. So, whew, a lot going on. I'm going to open up my soapbox. I'm so excited about this. I bought this during the soap sale. Yeah. Open this up. Check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. These boxes are so awkward when you're a YouTuber because they open up like this and then I got this giant box on my lap and I kind of have to reach in. But that's okay. We're going to do this. First up, Forever Autumn Pumpkin Cupcake. Look what they did. It almost looks like Easter. Why is everything wet in here? What leaked? What leaked? Everything's wet. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Pumpkin Cupcake could actually be an Easter scent, but that's super cute. Is something leaking? Oh boy, sometimes these soaps leak. I got another Perfect Pumpkin, which is basically sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I got Sugared Maple Lane. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to smell this one. I'll do a full review on some of these fall soaps. Oh, this is good. Oh, I like this one. It is Maple Drizzle, Warm Citrus Sunshine, and Brown Sugar. Okay. I got Warm Amber and Cedar. I think this one is new. I gotta do a whole soap video. That smells good too. I love my fall soap. You guys know how I feel about fall soap. I have so many of these. I got Sunrise Woods. So that's a repackage, but I like the packaging. I got White Orchid Woods. I have no idea if I'm going to like this one. I'm kind of thinking I'm not. Actually, I like it. It's not bad. It's like a woodsy floral. It's actually not bad. That one's pretty good. I got Green Cypress Trails. What is Green Cypress Trails, you guys? Oh, I love it. It's like an outdoorsy fall pine scent. That's a win. I got pomegranate and blackberry. That's a repackage, but a good one. I was so low on soap. Look, I got my Chasing Fireflies soap. I'm so excited to get Chasing Fireflies. This smells really good. This kind of reminds me of like a combination of fairy tale and open sky. Autumn foliage. They did not even put plastic on these. Oh, I love this one. You know what this smells like? You know when the leaves fall off the trees and they get kind of brown and like crispy? That's what it smells like. It smells like, that nice like leafy smell, but it doesn't smell like a rotting smell. It smells good. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I gotta get a whiff of this one. Oh yeah, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Oh, I'm getting so excited about fall. I got white coconut caramel. This is a good one for fall. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay. I don't think anything's leaking. I don't know what's going on. And then autumn foliage I got in the foaming. So, oh, this one is good. Oh my gosh. Autumn foliage is fresh fallen leaves, misty air, and autumn cedarwood. I love this one. So, yeah, that was my soap haul for today. Yay! By the way, I'm loving my clock. I gotta say, that's like one of my favorite pieces now. I've got a lot of organizationing. Did I just say that? Organizing. That's my new word. Organizationing to do. I've got candles everywhere. I'm actually going to do a Homeworks video soon because Homeworks just launched Halloween today. Kringle's going on. Yankee. I've got a lot going on. Goose Creek Fall. Their Halloween's going to be launching. I have so many candles to review. I'm probably going to be doing a lot of reviews in the next couple days, hopefully. But I wanted to do these unboxings kind of to show you what's happening. Anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye. I can't find my... I always do that. I can't find my mouse. I thought my mother's coughing. We're just having technical difficulties. Okay, I got my button now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.